Hello guys, back here with another video. This one we're gonna try to get our cluster to show our oil temp. Now keep in mind that some models don't have the sensor, so you just have to go into your manual and all that and have a look at it. If not, just send me the model and I can find that out for you. So we're gonna do this a little bit different. We're gonna go into control units. We're not gonna use the credits, and now we're gonna look for dashboard. So when you click on the dashboard, it's gonna load a bunch of options. One of those is the apps. We're not gonna do this through the apps. This is another way to do it without actually having to pay for it. There you go. So now we're gonna go into long coding, and we need to go where it says oil. Oil temp display, you see that it's still no. You click on yes, and then hold this, and then it's completed. Okay, oil temp. Okay, now the temperature should show on your dashboard, but just let's turn this off. Let's reset everything. Let's turn the car back on. And we can start looking for it. So it should be on computer. So let's see. There you go, oil temp. Now at the moment it's not showing anything because the car is cold, but I will drive around, and once I have a measurement to show you, I'll get back to the video. There you go guys, now we have the temperature showing 51 degrees. If you have any questions, just put a comment down below and I'll get back to you if I can help you out getting your temperature to show up. And don't forget to subscribe, man. It really helps me out. Thank you guys.